Now, local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. A hole in the road that started out pretty small has now created a big problem. Newslink Indiana's Jennifer Kinley has the scoop.
South 5th Avenue in Richmond isn't a thoroughfare anymore after one of the oldest storm sewers in Richmond failed and caused the road to cave in. But the problem didn't stop there.
We will know better once we open it up.
Working to dig a hole at least 60 feet deep hasn't been the only job on the agenda. Workers had to dodge several other utility lines, including water, electricity, fiber optics cables, and gas lines. Utility companies have been cooperative in helping workers dig to the sewer. Work started digging a week ago, but hasn't reached the sewer yet.
We're about 2/3 of the way down now. We're hoping we'll be at the sewer by tomorrow.
Construction workers and contractors aren't the only ones who hope the problem will be fixed soon. Buffy Terrell, who works at Papa Joe's liquor store, says construction has affected sales. She declined to be on camera, but says not only are sales down, close calls when it comes to accidents are up. She's seen 6 or 7.
Well, some local businesses say they've been affected by the 5th Street closing. The city transportation says that they found a simple solution to the whole problem.
Right on G Street, go down to South 7 and turn and just go around the block.
Kirkman says a detour route is nothing new and she's not missing any important stops. Traffic will continue to be rerouted until construction is finished. In Richmond, Jennifer Kinley, Newslink, Indiana.
There's no estimated cost yet for the entire project, but it's hoped the road will be open by the holidays. Dropping enrollment and increasing tuition are the reasons Blackford County's only Catholic school will close after this school year. It costs $6,800 a year per student to attend. Only 34 students are enrolled currently at St. John's. St. John's opened in 1954. The building will continue to be used for meetings, parish dinners, and religious education. The parish still plans to celebrate its 100th year anniversary of Catholic education in Blackford County. Well, now here's Nicholas Ferreri with a look at our forecast. Nicholas.
Thank you, Chris. Real wintry evening in store tonight. It's going to be pretty blustery out there with some snow showers. We could see up to a ½ inch of snow tonight. A low of 21 degrees. Winds will be from the west-northwest at 20 miles per hour, gusting to 35 miles per hour. Precision cast shows a wide ridge of high pressure that is off to our west, but that will help push off this system that's bringing in the snow. So by tomorrow afternoon, we'll be able to see some sunshine. But we will also see some flurries in the morning, a high of 26. Chris?
Thanks, Nicholas. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.